everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hard transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna add hard transition effect, so you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can swipe until you can see on mouse, and then you can click on the mouse, click on it and swipe until you can see Hearth effect, Hearth transition effect. This is the Hearth 1, Hearth 2, and this is the Hearth 3. You can click the Hearth effect that you want, maybe a Hearth 1, and then this is a Hearth 2, and this is a Hearth 3. Yeah, I wanna add Hearth 3 for a box 1, and for a box 2, I wanna add Hearth 2. And after this, you can click on check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add Hearth transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.